Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. Gardening with God by Megan P., Ontario, Canada. Read Galatians 5:16 through 26. Walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. For the flesh desires what is contrary to the Spirit, and the Spirit what is contrary to the flesh. They are in conflict with each other, so that you do not do whatever you want. This year I have a community garden plot where I can grow vegetables. A few months after planting the seedlings and seeds, I'm still enjoying the garden. But I had forgotten just how persistent and stubborn weeds are. Week after week, it feels like I'm pulling the same weeds from the same spots. It is amazing to me how quickly the weeds grow and how fast they can get out of hand if I miss a week of weeding. While the vegetables I have planted are steadily growing stronger and healthier, I'm struck by the sheer determination of the weeds to grow despite repeatedly being ripped out. How often do our lives parallel this scenario? God's Spirit grows the fruit of love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, gentleness, faithfulness, and self-control in us. But there are weeds in our lives too: envy, cruel responses, anger, unforgiveness, or self-defeat. These things can be difficult to remove, but we must deal with them at the root. The good news is we aren't tackling the weeds alone. We have a faithful, compassionate gardener who works in us and with us, helping to uproot the weeds and nurturing the fruit in us. Gracious God, thank you for the work of transformation you are doing in us. Amen.